It's rust.
Are you filming?
I am.
There's not a filter. It's just rust. So it's your favorite musical doula here, Melissa Ivy. And today I'm thinking about the labor process of restoring a Volkswagen bus. That's right, she's a classic, folks. 1976 Volkswagen Transporter right here, coming at you live. So this bus was stolen, possibly from one of my friends. But anyway, I don't know why I said that. It's painful. All right, I'll cut it.
Editing.
Editing. All right, so what I'm thinking about today is restoring this classic Volkswagen bus. So she needs some primering. She needs some love. The idea is to make a mobile recording classroom so that I can go into different schools, teach them about audio recording, teach them about storytelling, and then maybe like the last week of class, have everything set up inside the bus so that they can come into this time capsule, create their own story, and becoming the future ancestors. Yes. So thank you so much for donating to my Go Fundme, whether you have $5 or $5,000. It's really appreciated in this restoration project. So I'm remaining hopeful and living my dreams. We're gonna make this happen. So much love, folks. See you later, Volks.